Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, a dark linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, our media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C300 has 26,989 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.